We fix your trusted tech fixer right at your doorstep. Are you living in Hyderabad's gated communities and facing gadgets problems? No more wasting time and energy hauling your tech to a repair shop. Wefix brings the solution straight to your doorstep. Whether it's a cracked screen, a sluggish computer, or a malfunctioning printer, Wefix has the expertise to fix it all. Recently, we had conducted free health checkup campaign at Aparna Towers in Kondapur. What our customer says:
We are staying at a gated community which is far away from repair shop. As a working professional, I don't have time to visit any repair shop. Thanks to Verisub Technology for their doorstep service. Their team of engineers conducted a repair camp right at my apartment, which is very good. They fixed my laptop on the spot. One thing impressed me that they are using genuine spare parts with affordable prices. Thanks to Verisub, I got my laptop back. It's running very smoothly. If you are looking for a reliable and convenient repair services, I highly recommend Verisub Technology. Thank you team very much.
Contact us for our free health checkup campaign for your gated community.